Hagia Sophia. Location, Istanbul, Turkey. Best time to visit, spring, April to May, and autumn, September to November. The Hagia Sophia is a former Byzantine church and Ottoman mosque that dates back to the 6th century. Originally built as a Byzantine cathedral in the 6th century, it later served as an imperial mosque and now stands as a museum. Having exchanged hands, the Hagia Sophia showcases a unique blend of Byzantine and Ottoman architectural styles. Featuring its grand dome, intricate mosaics, and massive buttresses. Historical significance. A former Byzantine church and Ottoman mosque with exquisite architecture. Mosaics, and frescoes, showcasing Turkey's rich cultural heritage.